Caramelized onions are something that's not always done properly in restaurants. To speed up the process, a lot of sugar is added to kind of achieve that brown color that you want. But this is something that should be really done low and slow. And onions are so sweet if you give them a little bit of time to release their juices and bring out their natural sweetness. So again, I'm going to take my time till it comes together to be almost like a paste. And this is the color that you're going for. And there you have it.